This can appear quite daunting at first because you're dealing with derivatives. The derivative gives you the gradient of the tangent, so you've got a gradient of a tangent. You've got double derivatives, which is introducing points of inflection and concavity. So where do you start with all this? Often when you're missing two letters, you'll need two equations. And so what I'm going to do to start is just work out the derivative and then think of this as if it's a point. So this should have been f dash x, but instead of f dash x, it's got a 1. So every x I'm going to put 1, and every derivative I'm going to put 12. So watch how it happens. I'm going to derive the original function. So 9x squared plus 2bx plus c. And when I derive a constant, it falls away. So what I've just done there is the derivative. And now wherever there's an x, I'm going to put 1. And wherever there's a derivative, I'm going to put 12. And that's going to end up with just b's and c's. So 1 squared is 1 times 9 is 9. I'm going to take 9 across. So 12 minus 9 is 3. And I've got 2b, so I'll bring that across and it's minus 2b. I brought it across, so I just have c by itself. Then completely separately, I'm going to do the double derivative. So I'm going to take this derivative and derive it again. So times the power by the front and drop it by 1. So the double derivative now ends up being 18x plus 2b, and the c falls away because it doesn't have an x to derive. And so what do I do here? Where there's an x, they've now put 1. So every x I'm going to put a 1 in. And what does the double derivative equal? It's minus 24. So that goes in there. This is super duper helpful because then I can work out what b is. So b is negative 21. And then I can come across here. And in b's place, I'm going to put negative 21. So I end up getting positive 42 plus 3 is 45. And there I've got my equation of a cubic graph. I can just fill minus 21 in for b and 45 in for c. If you found that helpful, like the video, please share it with any friends that have got tests or exams coming up, and subscribe to our channel.